back to my channel, and today we are here with the new AirPods. I got the newest generation Pod 4s with active noise cancellation. They have an option of getting it with noise cancellation and without the noise cancellation. I want it with the noise cancellation because I love being able to block out other people when I'm at the gym. So I'm just going to do a little mini open up video and let's get to it. Alright, don't mind my nails. I didn't get my nails done yet because I'm going to wait till next month when I get my hair done. So we're going to open up the AirPods. Okay. So they always have this in there. Let me see. Active noise cancellation. Turn on Bluetooth. Activate Bluetooth. I can't wait to use them in the gym. I'm about to go to the gym now, actually. Oh, and it allows you to pause your music, even mute and unmute, and go forward in music and stuff, and end calls. Which I think was like all the AirPods that do that. Now, my concern is the charger, because I'm not sure what charger. I know I have the newest charger. That's a little booklet. That's a little booklet. That's a little booklet. Little booklet. Oh, they don't give you the little stickers anymore? That sucks. But it's okay. I end up finding it. I just probably didn't look through it. I'm gonna put this to the side. Now we're at the AirPods. Oh, dang. Now, let's see. It actually looks very much smaller than the other ones. Oh, perfect. It has the same charger as my phone, which is the USB-C, guys. So if you don't have it, you're going to have to get it. Because I don't think it comes with a charger. See, it's just the bottom of it. I don't think it comes with a charger, which is cool because my phone has it. These are much smaller than all the other ones. This is cool. Okay. These are so cute. Did it just try to ping to my phone? So last time I had the third generation and I lost them and I bought them like twice. So I was like, let me just get the fourth generation since they don't have third generation. Because I was going to get third generation again, but they ran out. And of course they're dying. Well, good thing I have a charger in the car. I like how they make noises, guys. These are pretty cool. See, it has the pairing sound. But I'm going to try them out at the gym and I'm going to let you guys know how they turn out. Today, I'm giving an honest review on the AirPod 4s with active noise cancellation, as you can see. My honest review of these is a 10 out of 10. These are really worth it. Like, they're better than any of the generations that's made. I can only speak for generation 1 and generation 3 because I had generation 3 like 3 times. But I was like, let me just try generation 4. So guys, I tried generation 4 and they are really amazing. Like, the noise cancellation is so good. You could be playing nothing and you really will not hear anything with these in your ear. And I like that though, because if you pause your music, you don't feel like hearing all the loudness in between your sets and everything at the gym. So using them today, I love them at the gym. You can't hear nothing but your music, not even anybody speaking to you. And I really like it that way. And I really recommend these. Like, these are really good. And they also allow you to like pause your music. You can also use head nodding and everything to your phone calls and everything. I'm still learning more about them, but so far I'm in love with them. And if you're thinking about getting them, definitely get them. Like, they're really worth every dime of it. I paid $179 for these, but like, I love them. And they're better than generation 2s with this suction thing on them. I don't even like those because I feel like it's just suction in my ears. But if you're thinking about these, I definitely recommend them. They use the USB-C cord, and I have that with my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So it worked out perfectly because it doesn't come with a charger in the box unless it comes out the back, but I don't see anything in there. So it just comes with the case, and it comes with the 2 AirPods. And you have to make sure you have your own charger for them. But that's all for this video. If you want to get these AirPod 4s, active noise cancellation. They're worth your money. Definitely recommend. All right, see you guys. Thank you for watching my YouTube video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and on to the next one. See you guys.
High volume. Am I really that much?